Hello guys, this is Mr. Z. You are watching Mr. HackZ channel. In this video, I would like to explain about the app called Solo Learn. At the end of the video, you will learn how to use this app and get a cool certificate with it and have a plenty knowledge. And see, here is a certificate like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you have to subscribe my channel so that let's begin our video. So let's go to YouTube. So it's a my channel, guys. I already uploaded two videos that about who visits a Facebook profile and also how to bypass a firewall 2018. So if you didn't see this video before, please make sure to visit it. I will give the link in the description and how to use these two videos. So let's get begin into our video. So open a Play Store and type Solo Learn. And here the app, the top one. I already installed this app, so let's go to app, click it. So it is the interface of the app. So it's giving see code discuss. We will deeply for sign up. I've been using my channel account for sign up. Otherwise you can sign up with a Google or a Facebook. So I already have an account, so I would like to sign in. So sign in by this, use an account, previous account. Okay, I successfully signed in into this. Okay, not now. So this is the app interface when you successfully signed into it. So go to the courses. Here it shows so many courses here. See, scroll down. First of all, we can see C++, HTML, Python, Java, JavaScript, SQL, C Sharp, and coming to this coding challenges and editions, we have Bootstrap 3. It is useful for the web designers, data structures, algorithms, and bitwise, C language, machine learning, neural networks, artificial intelligence. See, here we can see a small object and so on, guys. It's no limit to this. So he's a strike. So it's a challenge. I would like to choose a weapon as a HTML. So a random opponent or an opponent here. I was choosing start. Choose all the block level elements. I selected randomly. So it's a wrong. If you are wrong, it shows like this. You start define a pre-formatted text. If you are right, it shows like this. And HTML is read and rendered by this. Okay, correct. Second one, third one, round 4. Which of the following is most likely to be used as doc type HTML, doc type HTML? So it has a contains a 5 rounds totally. It scores, it tallies your scores to the opponent. So I got a 3. I have to wait until the opponent reacted my challenge. So go to the home page of this. This home page is particularly designed by the Solar Learn for what the new courses they have been adding and what the courses have been updated till now. So here it is like so many courses created a new lessons here, like see insertion sort, bubble sort, merge sort. So many. And here the coding, Already the persons who coded here and submitted the coding, I will show you in the later in the video how to submit your own code here. See, already there is so many I will run this one. It takes some time due to a lack of internet. If your internet is speed, it will speed up the code. So your name is Super Knight. Here he said that. Okay, let's take with another one. Top one. I'll type as a HTML. See, HTML. You can also type anything else. What the interesting areas you are in. But now I am typing HTML. So there is a so many other. I selected the top one. So here is the code, which is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and what is the output. So I'm going output. Here it is the output. He done like this. Name, email, something, message, send. Okay. Here it will be like this. And going to the discussion form. Here the discussion form is absolute a nice platform where we can discuss our views about the what the topics they have been posted. Here the recent topic is about the Python 3.7 beta version review. See here it's like this. And now I will tell you how to get a certificate. Go select any course you are wish to in. See, there are challenges. At last there is a certificate. It looks like this. So go to into it and make a, you can also make it into a offline, that course, entire course into offline. Not only this, anything course, any course like this. So here's my profile one. Like this, what the language I've been interested in, what the posters, activities, skills, badges, how many badges I got. Only the one badge, first one, the verified badge. You can get all the badges. And the notifications, for what the notifications I have received. See, only one badge up to now. Now go to the basic course. Okay, take a preview. The preview is the basic knowledge about the language you have been selected. I've been using the HTML as my language for to get the certificate. So here it is like this. Stack contains the visual part, something, etc. Body. So here of which main part the file consists of head and body. Okay, check. Okay, I've been successfully completed. So the remaining next one, the opens unlocks. So here like the paragraph, text formatting, headings, attributes, links, images, lists, blocks, etc. Next challenges. Next last you can complete a certificate. So he is like this. These are the main courses, and the quiz is the main absolute one, which amused your mind. And go to the leaderboard. The leaderboard who are following me, and the local. I mean the friends who are in my listed. I mean in India. What is the my rank in India? Is 1543. What about the global? So like this another one profile. What about the global? 8800 is the my rank in the global. Next lesson factory. You can post a lesson or you can post anything else about the relating to the lessons. And the quiz factory. Here you can post quiz. I told it before that. And invite friend. You can invite friends. So email, SMS, share, and WhatsApp. And next one settings. Go to settings, edit profile. You can edit profile here. So I've been editing my profile photo like this. and a name, email, name Mr. HackZ, email Mr. Hacks470 at the rate of gmail.com. I've been typing. Sorry for my slow typing. I've been selected India as my country and saved. The email address is already registered. Thank you. Then go to the settings, and if you want to change your password, next blocked accounts. Any friend I have been blocked, none to show. Then here are the same settings and night mode, etc. And the manage weapons. You can accept the challenges from the HTML, JavaScript, C++, PHP, whatever you may see like this. You can accept the challenge here and go to the notifications, settings, manage weapons. See, you can select all if you are interested. Night mode, it's a beautiful one, and language you like. If you like this video, please like and share. For more updates, do subscribe. This is Mr. Z signing off. Bye.